Hi, this is Michael with Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting. 9 years ago, in July of 2013, I founded this company, Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting. We've had a lot of fun and a lot of success over the years, and I think one of the main reasons is because we've always stayed focused on our core values. I told you about deliver value, and I told you about keeping the momentum by moving forward all the time. Today I want to tell you about our third core value, enjoy the journey. While you're focusing on results, you can always go further. We do at our company. We go further. We also savor the effort and the experience along the way. We pause regularly. We reflect on what we're working on and what we're going to do next. And we just kind of drink it in. We soak it in. And we have an extraordinary amount of fun while we're trying to work towards success. I hope talking about our core values creates value for you. See you next time.